Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. This little video is going to be about importing. So you can go to File and Import, and you can see it's Control+I. So I'm going to actually hit Control+I, and I get up the, and I've made, if you look, I've made my window smaller so I can still see my screen, but that doesn't really matter in this case. And then we're going to go to down to an item that I want to bring into Corel, and let's just pick one out right there. And I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to hit import. I can put it anywhere on the page. If I put that corner right there, it'll be at the top left corner. But what you can also do is I'm going to go Control-I and pick that same penny. And this time, instead of doing anything, I'm going to go to my screen. I'm going to say import. And no matter where this is, I'm just going to hit the enter key and it put it in the center of the page, just much like you would do P. But if you were working and you wanted to import it into the center of the page, you could just hit enter. Let's do that one more time. Control-I. And, you know, if the picture is too big for the screen, it's not going to work. But just say import. And then instead of, because you can actually stretch that thing out and you can make it really big. Or you can just do what I just said. If you wanted the same, Control-I, go back to that penny and just click on it, say import. And then instead of clicking your mouse, just hit enter on your keyboard and it puts it in the center of the page. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.